everybody. So, max speeding turbo for the red block. Now, maybe have to say before I open this that I got this for a heavily discounted rate. So that technically maybe possibly makes it a sponsorship. So you should go look at the specs yourself and decide whether you want one, and don't just listen to me, because I got given mine for not a lot of money and I'm going to tell you it's good when it might not be. But I think it is, because it's the most expensive one they have, and I'm hopeful that this is going to last. I think it'll last. So it is and again, GT 3076. Not sure what that means. Super dapper. I'm excited. Yeah, they messaged me because a friend of mine, Thomas, I'll add his little Instagram doofer in here, said that they should ask me if I want a turbo, and I do, because I want to see what their turbos are like, to be honest. There's a banjo bolt, there's a little oil return washer, seal sort of thing, customer service card. I wonder what it says in the customer service card. Let's have a look and see. Focus on performance. 100% brand new aftermarket parts. Conforms to the original OE standards. Nice. Some other things and stuff. Look, there's a guy with a thumb. He's totally happy. Look at him. He's loving it. You should buy one of these. Because he's happy, so you'll be happy. Yeah, bits of paper. Lovely. Some washers and things and stuff. Lovely. We are on an LUK box, so I can put this turbo on the box and not on the concrete, because then people will get upset the fact that I put it on the concrete. And it's a nice little brace for my knees. Nice. It's yeah. Any other things in here? No, that's us. Let's get it open and see what is inside the Max Speedo's fancy 3076. Now this is a direct copy, I'm going to imagine, of a Garrett 3076R, but you save loads of money, so yeah, looks nice. Nice. Oh, you're not seeing me shaking when I'm trying to hold that out. Gold, because everybody knows that gold makes your car faster. It does. Now this looks, yeah, quite impressed actually. I mean, it's gold. Who doesn't want gold? It's got one of these fancy no noise front housings, and I've not really got much to say about it. What I can do though, have you ever been to Curry's PC World and you ask them about the dishwasher and they read it off the label? That's exactly what I'm going to do. So, if you go down on the description, you could not listen to me and you can read this, or I can read it for you, and then you can be happy that you didn't have to read it. You're probably going to go and read it anyway. Compressor housings, anti-surge. Yes. Turbine housing is stainless steel. Probably, maybe. It is water and oil cooled. We're only going to oil cool it. I'm not bothered for water, it's just extra lines. The bearing, it's a ball bearing, which you probably knew already. Being a modern Garrett, most of them are ball bearings. 38, so 300 to 700 horsepower. Professional mechanic test, that's what it says on the website. I don't know if that makes me a professional mechanic, but it might make you one. It does up to 3 bar. Not going to test that. We're not going to test that. But we'll test it, and I reckon this will last. I reckon we'll get easy 400s out of this, easily. But I'm not going to run it at 3 bar. And then I'm not going to read you all the wheel sizes. I will. Wheel sizes. But yeah, I did have a whole set, but now we have this. This will probably spool a lot faster than the whole set I had or was going to put on. I need to get a new manifold made with the V-band housing. That's cool. The exhaust housing is quite small. She's going to be a spoolie boy, GT30. So yeah, I reckon easy 400s. We'll put that there. I don't know, I've not got much else to say about it really. It looks really good quality. The Chinese stuff over the years has got a lot better over time. I do have a set of Max Speeding rods, which I paid normal money for. We might as well get them out. Let me get them. All the Max Speeding stuff. And once again, I did show a mate of mine these. They look very good. I mean, more than good. They look, just for the money, 181 quid for these. Like, that is insane. For that much, times by 4, with these, for £181. That is a bargain. And they have been tested and proven by a lot of people. They do hold really good power. I got these because I couldn't find any branded stuff. I was a bit skeptical once again, but they look really good. I showed a friend of mine, he says they look very similar to Skunk 2s and all the other branded rods that you buy that aren't. They're not. There's not that many people making their own rods. It's not sustainable, it's not worth their time to make their own rods. It's much easier to phone up Max Speeding and say, hi, we would like some rods please with Skunk 2 wrote on them, or whatever other people are rocking. Definitely not their own rods. But yeah, we're going to test this. So unboxing video, I'm going to do an installation video, but we're going to be doing a lot more Volvo stuff over the next wee while, so you'll probably see this pop up quite a few times. And then we're going to do a dyno video, which when my car goes on the standalone ECU and stuff, it's going to be on the dyno. We'll see what the turbo's like, we'll see what the spool's like. Stick around, see what she does. But for now, take it easy.